Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Good morning to you. It is 9:52 a.m. So we are now into the New York session. Now I'm in this trade. I was a little late clicking the record button because I was recording another video for you and for my Telegram group that will be posted on YouTube. Probably right beside this one is a new welcome video. You'll find it there. But I'm in this trade now, and I'll show you my entry. If I don't show you my entry live on the videos, then I have no problem showing my own platform to show you exactly where that entry was. I'll pull that up in a moment. In the meantime, let me just explain this trade to you. It is a reversal trade. Now, it's a little, in some people's mind, might be a little premature. It's 9:53. I typically don't trade for the first 10 minutes of the session. We are now 23 minutes, of course, into the session. Let me show you what's happening here on the three sisters so you really get an idea. All three were rallying into the open, right? So the NASDAQ over here on the far left-hand side, S&P in the middle, and Dow on the right. These are 1-minute charts with Vwap, volume weighted average price. All three rallying in perfect synchronicity. I sent this note to my group before the market opened. Synchronized, synchronized, synchronized. And even on the open, we rallied. Actually, on the NASDAQ, we sold off initially, then rallied, so it was synchronized. And then broke structure on NASDAQ, broke structure on S&P, and broke structure on the Dow. This is the short on the break of structure on the Dow. Now some fresh buying coming in, so this might not work out after all, but we'll see. Stay with us here. I'm only risking 23 points here, but that's a full 1R to make 46 points. Looking for 2R on this. Let's see how far we can go on this one. Let's see. We actually broke below VWAP on the NASDAQ. Very weak over here. Essentially tapped on the S&P and not even close on the Dow. And hence my sell on the Dow is to kind of close that gap on what was the strongest of the morning here by a significant margin, as a matter of fact. Patience now. I'll put you on pause for now while this grinds, and I'll bring you back. Attempting to come down here again. We'll see if it can. This will be target 1. Target 2, 1.5R. Target 3 will be 2R here. I've recently put out several videos explaining why I'm doing what I'm doing here. The various models that I'm tracking. 4 models. Those videos are right there. Just look around today. The last few days you will see those videos. Mastering R multiples and R values. Profit targets and stops. Another one called profit targets and mastering profit targets and stops. I'll show you exactly what this is all about. Pause. All right, watching this happen here, guys. Now again, this is really a Vwap reversion trade. Vwap reversion here on the Dow. Right, extended on all three sisters. And then Vwap reversion. You haven't heard me categorize this one or trade this pattern actively, this particular model actively for a while. But I saw this opportunity and it made perfect sense to me. There's target 1 hit. And so the 1R all or nothing trader has exited this trade with full profits. That's any trader that's trading 1R all or nothing, right? So there's 1R risk and there's 1R met. The scale out trader, of course, is scaling out some here at target 1. And leaving a runner. They may have also moved their stop to break even if they chose to lock in a sure break even for the rest. Several ways to, well, many ways, of course, to trade this. Patience now. I'll put you on pause for now, bring you back. Driving down now towards target 2, that's 1.5R. Again, a Vwap reversion trade here. And target 2 has been hit for 1.5. So again, the 1R all or nothing trader exited the trade with their entire position here. The Model 2 trader has scaled out 2 units at target 1 and 2 units at target 2. The Model 3, 3 units at target 1, 2 units at target 2. And the Model 4 has scaled out 1 unit at target 1, 2 units at target 2, and are now holding on to still half of their position. This is using 6 units, by the way. And again, if you watch those videos on mastering profit targets and stops, you will understand exactly what I mean by that. And then when it comes to stop loss management, there are several ways you can do this, and you can leave the stop in place and never change it. And some traders never move their stop closer. Hopefully they never move it away from the market. I've done videos on the importance of never doing that, but you can trail the stop to break even and then leave it there. So again, maybe hitting target 2 it means that you move your stop to break even and just don't move it for the life of the trade after that. You can trail the stop to target levels. So now that we've hit target 1, we hit target 1 first, maybe you move your stop to break even, and then when we hit target 2, you move the stop all the way to target 1, right? Locking it in. If we hit target 3, pardon me, move the stop to target 2. If you move to target 4, assuming you have one, and so on and so forth. You get the idea. And then finally, trail the stop to pivot levels. And so there was an initial excursion here, right? And then maybe move it to the top of that pivot. If you consider this a pivot, you would move the stop to above here, and so on and so forth for the life of the trade. Back on pause. All right, guys, we're attempting to drive down here again, see if we can get there. Again, this is a Vwap reversion trade. Vwap reversion. See right here, looking for this to having been extended here, here, and here to 2.5 standard deviations after the open of New York. The break of structure, and then the trade idea is to pull back down towards Vwap. We don't have to actually get there. I'm only looking to get to right here. 594 is my target right here. There's not much further to go, but we are struggling here a little bit as fresh buying comes in. That's the ultimate target, but of course, partials taken off here at target 1, partials at target 2. So far this trade, the result has been a 1.5R result for measurements. And you can understand that by watching my mastering profit targets and stop losses video there. Pause. And we're back, looking to make another drop down here towards target 2. While we're doing that, I promised I would show my entry because I wasn't able to show it on the start of the trade. And there it is right there, guys. Entry. See right there? 1, 2, 3 candles, drop below. 1, 2, 3 candles, drop below right there. And no one ever asked me to do that, by the way. I just do it just to show when I can't show for whatever reason. Again, I was a little slow clicking the play button, and I don't mind showing that. And driving down again. We've just tapped 1.5R again, target 2. Let's see if we can actually break down below and get something happen here. Pause. The Three Sisters, NASDAQ continues to weaken here below Vwap. S&P dropping below now. All we need is a couple more points here, a few more points on that Vwap reversion move. See, here's Vwap down here. I'm not even asking it to get all the way to Vwap, just part of the way to get us that target 2. First and only trade of the day, it's 10:45. No trades in the UK session today since London was closed today, bank holiday. Pushing down now, almost there, literally half a point away. One more push and we'll do it. And there we go, guys. 46 points on the Dow on a very sloppy day. Took a long time to get there. Entered this thing in 9:51. It is now 10:51, almost precisely 1 hour sitting in this thing. And now it's going to drop lower. Now we're probably going to get that complete Vwap reversion. But thanks for joining me. Appreciate you being here. Have an amazing day. We'll talk soon.